What's up? Thank you so much for watching Cloudbug. I am Akshit. Welcome back to another tech video. Today's video is good for individual looking for job or got stuck during the current world situation. So let's see the outline of today's talk. I am going to start with the current IT situation, how to get job during lockdown, work from home jobs, that is freelancing, and how to improve skills. So let's start with the current IT situation. From past 3 months, I am seeing lot of firing due to current world situation. Many companies, I won't name them, are on their cost cutting stage in which they are taking following action in order to make their business on track. Either employees are asked to opt for non-paid leaves for some specific amount of time, or they are seeing pay cut in their salaries, and the worst is employees getting fired. Some companies have been laying off great employees out of panic instead of working together to find a solution to keep staff on hand for this temporary situation. I'm going through many posts and messages on LinkedIn and seeing that individuals are looking for a job anyhow, even they are ready to work with less pay. I think it's somewhere right, as we all have some responsibilities and something is better than nothing. So obviously current situation is not good for all the workers, but this is temporary and good days will be back soon. So stay positive. So now let's check out the ways to get job during lockdown. So are you jobless at the moment? Do you feel stuck? Then there is a perfect time to update your resume. You should always keep your resume up to date. You never know when there is need of your resume. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Don't take your LinkedIn profile lightly. Please don't, as it shows the professionalism and activeness in you. Next is learn new skills. You can take free online courses. This is something I would ask everyone to do regardless of the current IT situation. Before learning new skills, make sure to have a good command on your current skills and then learn the new skill. I will discuss more about this in some time. So build your network, refresh your connections. This is really helpful when it comes to job opportunities, as if your connection is strong, then there are many chances that you will be getting more opportunities than the individual not so active in building network. Apply for jobs online. There are multiple job portals where you can update your resume like Naukri.com, Glassdoor or Shine, but I would say that LinkedIn is the best platform for searching good and genuine jobs. You can list down the job on LinkedIn based on your skill set and can easily apply. Practice for phone and video interviews, as this is a time all about giving interviews via phone or video calls, so be prepared for that. You should be able to deliver the maximum you have. Next is freelancing. There are many sites which are offering work from home as a freelancer, sites like Upwork, Freelancer or Truelancer. Freelancing is really awesome when it comes to getting opportunity to work from home with great clients. So you can create your account and start bidding and start earning money. Control your thoughts, be positive. It's just a bend, not the end. Sometimes when things are falling apart, they may be actually falling into place. Even if things look bleak right now, your future is bright. Be active on social media in a positive way. I would suggest you to be active on social media platforms, especially on LinkedIn. Exercise, eat healthy, take care of yourself. This is very important. It is good time to exercise and improve your health. Next and the last is pray. Ask God to make a way for you when there seems to be no way. Job hunting is draining, but don't be discouraged. COVID-19 will not last forever. This too shall pass. Take small steps every day and be patient. Keep going, it's just a matter of time and the right door will open for you, obviously. Next topic in the stack is work from home jobs, that is freelancing. If you are in the IT, you can do freelancing sitting at home or anywhere in the world. There are many freelancing sites where you can bid for the project which matches with your skills and can start earning based on the acceptance of proposal. There are freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, TopTal, Freelancer, Truelancer and People Per Hour. There are many more freelancing sites. So you can create an account on any of these freelancing sites and start earning. Now let's walk through the freelancing site for the demo. I'm going to choose Freelancer and show you how to sign up and start earning. So this is how Freelancer looks like. I'm going to sign up and show you how to start earning. So we have to first of all enter the email address and the password and sign up on Freelancer. So now you can choose any username of your choice and click on next, and now you have to select if you want to work or you want to hire. So now the sign up is under process. So here you have to select the skills. So I'm a DevOps, so I'm going to select the DevOps and click on next step. Now you have to select the language in which you are comfortable. So I have selected here Hindi and English, and you have to write the full name and the last name. Now you have to select the experience. So I will select intermediate and click on next step. So this is the payment step. I'm going to skip for now. So they are offering 1 month free trial, and post free trial you can avail at rupees 729. Now I'm going to skip this step for now. Now this is the freelancer dashboard. In the top right, you can see the username and the amount you have earned. Now I'm going to select for the DevOps project. So here are the list of projects you can see. So I'm going to select any one of the project here. Now you can see the project details here, like they are looking for production support analyst to give support. So, and they are ready to give 18,000 per month. So you can see the bidding amount as well. Minimum you can bid for 12,500 and maximum 37,500. So here you can just verify your email address and start bidding. So you can see the average bid amount as well. It is 24,945 and you have totally 8 bids. Next and the last topic in the stack is how to improve skills. This is especially for DevOps. First thing in the process which you have to do is be an expert in what you have right now before jumping into the next one. If we talk about DevOps, then a very easy way to get job is to gain knowledge on trending DevOps tools such as Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, and monitoring tool. You can also go for the online courses from Udemy or Pluralsight and try to get certified in the tool in which you are confident enough. If you need any guidance, then feel free to ping me on any social media platform attached with the video's description. If you want to get certified in the top DevOps certification, then check out my video for top 5 DevOps certification. You can find the link in the video description. I wish you good health, happiness, peace of mind, and of course a dream job if you're searching for one. So that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions so far, then you can directly reach out to me on any social platform like LinkedIn, Instagram or Facebook. Username is same on all the platform, which is Cloudbug. You can also mail me at cloudbugtech@gmail.com. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe Cloudbug. If you like this video, do let me know. And if you don't, do let me know how can I make it better. I come up with new video every Thursday, so stay tuned. Bye guys.